one and all. I, Vrinda Chhabda, on behalf of Delhi Public Schools Saharanpur, extend a warm and cordial welcome to all in the event Mask Making of Mosaic 2020. I extend my heartiest welcome to our Honorable Judge, Ms. Sankalpana Chauhan. She truly proves that creativity is intelligence. Our in-house judge is Ms. Pratima Vats, a very dynamic personality. Words are not enough to describe her. Before we begin, remember the following points. All the participants should keep their videos on and audios off. Camera should focus on both the participant as well as the work he or she is doing. I repeat the guidelines. All the participants should keep their videos on and audios off. Camera should focus on both the participant as well as the work he or she is doing. To know something more about mask making, let's have a view of a wonderful presentation here.
Good morning, dear. Good morning, jury members. I gather a large people from India's start going to make a royal mark.
Wow, it was beautiful. Our students have brilliant qualities and talent to show. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the event. The time is 10:34 a.m. and you have 45 minutes to complete your mask and your time starts now.
Good morning.
I request the participants to keep their videos on and audios off, please.
Okay, good morning, Pranav. Yes, Pranav, I can see you are doing a good efforts. Tell me something about your mask. Yes, Pranav. I can see you are having a yellow paper in your hand. Tell me what
I am
is the
going
theme
to
of
make
your
a
mask?
little mask.
Okay. What material you are using?
Ma'am, blue, 3 yellow papers, 2 red,
Okay.
1 disposable plate, ribbon, mask tape, sketch, and glue.
Okay, very fine. Continue with your efforts. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I can see Sanchit. It is Sanchit?
Ma'am, I am
Yes.
Sachin Bhargav.
Okay, Sachit. I can see you are holding a mask. It's ready. You have not started. You have to do it here only.
Ma'am, I have started. I have
It is
taken 4 pieces. This is the
okay.
eye cover, this is the N95 mask, and
Okay.
this is the syringe of vaccine.
Okay, fine. Okay, all the best, bache.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vanshika Tyagi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. It's a great idea. I can see you are doing. Tell me something about your mask.
Ma'am, this mask I'm making related to COVID-19, which we are using.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
What are
things,
the material you are using?
ma'am, I'm using a cloth that is printed.
Okay, super. Yes, let us come to Ashwarya. Ashwarya Zohari,
Yes, ma'am.
just show me your mask.
Ma'am, I am just making it.
Okay, you are just. Tell me something about your mask. What is the theme you have taken?
Ma'am, I am making a cartoon mask, and this cartoon is Doraemon.
Tell me something about the things required.
Ma'am, I have used a white cloth for making the
Okay,
background, and
this is
I used elastic and black and white felt and red cloth.
okay, very fine. Fantastic work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Akash, yes, Akash.
Yes,
You are showing a good efforts, busy in your mask. Tell me something about your mask. I can see you are holding a brush. You are painting right now here.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me
Ma'am,
something
I am
about your mask.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am making Kathakali mask.
Okay, wow, it's so good. Your
Yes,
efforts
ma'am.
really shows.
Yes, ma'am.
Anurag,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me something about your mask.
Ma'am, I am making a Egyptian Tutankhamun death mask.
Okay,
Ma'am, I am using a cardboard and a yellow A1 sheet, and I
Okay.
have take the cutouts of the paper.
Okay, well done. Continue with it. Pavni, good efforts you are showing. Just tell me the theme of your mask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my theme is two
Just
faces.
hold it in your hand and just show it to me.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
wow, it is reflecting yellow like a sunflower. It's so beautiful. Good efforts. Just tell me about your mask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this mask shows the two phases of life, like in this COVID, our um, are every person like is facing failure and success, so I'm trying to show that happiness and
Okay.
sadness.
Okay, good efforts. Continue with that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Riddhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhima. Just show me your mask, Pate. Okay. What is the theme of your mask?
Ma'am, it is a fancy mask. Ma'am, it is a fancy mask.
Okay. Continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Tapasya. Tell me about your mask.
Ma'am, I am making my mask a cardboard mask, and
Okay.
it is a bird mask because I love birds.
Okay. What are the material you are using? Just show me.
Paper, I'm using a compass, colorful
Okay.
paper, Swarovskis, and Swarovskis, fabric glue, and many things.
Okay, fine. Yes, Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have decided for your mask? Just show me your mask. Okay, this is a cloth mask. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
ready-made one, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about your mask. What the theme you have chosen?
Ma'am, cloth, plastic, or alpine, and flowers.
Okay.
All the students are putting in a great effort. It is amazing to see all of you. I request all the participants to keep your videos on, otherwise you will be disqualified. I repeat, please keep your videos on.
Yes, Tia.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shor Soni
Yes,
from
ma'am.
class 5. I'm studying in BTS from now. Today I'm going to make a mask.
Tia, tell me something about your mask.
Ma'am, I'm making an eye mask which are based on a
I'm making a
COVID
pink color
mask.
mask.
COVID. My theme is COVID-19.
I'm making a pink
Okay.
color mask.
Yes, Mika.
Pink is very beautiful. I have drawn sketch.
Yes, Mika. Unmute yourself and then speak.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, I am using glitter sheet.
Just show it to me. What is the color of your glitter sheet?
Ma'am, blue.
Okay, well done. Yes, what is the theme of your mask?
Ma'am, it's fancy.
Okay, fine. Yes, I can see Anand Seni. Yes, Bache, you tell me about your mask.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Mika.
Ma'am, I can speak now. Ma'am,
Okay,
my
speak.
mask is a Halloween mask. It's a
Okay,
Halloween
fine.
mask. Ma'am, my materials are sheets and ma'am,
Yeah,
golden and silver color paint. Golden and
okay.
silver color paints and plates. Ma'am, it's a ma'am, face color paints. And ma'am, it's just type ma'am, girl mask. Ma'am, girl.
Okay, okay, fine. Arohi, it's great. Just show me your mask. Okay,
Ma'am, my
it's
mask
looking
is
nice, outstanding.
ma'am,
Tell
my
me
mask
something
is
about.
based on COVID-19.
Okay,
Ma'am, I wanted to show that I have used blue paper and I wanted to show that the full earth is affected with the coronavirus.
okay.
One day will kill the virus that is killing us today.
Yeah, sure. Very good. Okay, Shireen.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am,
Good morning. I
I'm
can see your efforts.
yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
about your genius idea.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm making a butterfly mask that is depicting that butterflies are very deep and powerful, and ma'am, they are not just beautiful, and ma'am, they symbolize the hope of life.
Okay, good. Great effort. Excellent. Yes, Swasti. I can see the material. What material you are using? Just show it to me. Show me your efforts. Yes, Swasti. Show me your mask. Okay, Achintya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am making wearing mask, and my theme
Okay.
is Go Corona Go.
Okay, just hold it in your hand and show it to me. Good efforts. Good efforts. Shaurya Soni. Oh wow, so bright color you are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me the material required in your mask and what is the theme of your mask.
Ma'am, the name of my mask is zombie.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
Awesome.
materials are ma'am pink chart paper, ma'am sketches, pencils, and 1 meter thread.
Okay, well done. Continue with your work. Anshuman,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I'm little confused. Which mask should I make? And I'm little confused. Which mask should I make? That wearing
Whatever you
mask.
have decided, you do it, beta. Right now, you do it, okay?
Ma'am, because yesterday I prepared COVID mask. So can I make this that
Whatever
COVID
you
mask?
have decided, do it here only, okay? Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your mask. I can see with full enthusiasm you are doing. Wow, so bright color. Well done. Tell me something about it.
And my mask is inspired from a tribal mask, as masks were first used by tribals, so I wanted to take inspiration from that.
Okay, well done. Arham Khan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me your talent.
Ma'am, please see.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
My mask is ready.
If students get
Excuse
it
me, ma'am.
completed in time, then they can upload the picture on Google Classroom.
And where?
You would have been provided a code for Google Classroom. Ask your teacher.
Ma'am, I am complete my mask. Excuse me,
Anshuman.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have completed my mask.
Okay. You just hold it, and when the time is there, na, then you can do the rest of the things. Okay. You can upload the image.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
is the code?
Ma'am, I have made the mask. Can I upload the picture?
Yes, you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the
Yes.
code?
Yes, we have
I am
given code.
Apeksha from DP Sitapur. Ma'am, my mask is completed. Can I upload
Okay.
this?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, please tell the code.
Just ask your concerned
please
teacher. We
tell
have
the code.
forwarded everything. Yes, Atharva. Show me your good efforts, what you have done.
Ma'am, making a vanisher mask.
Okay, fine. Continue with it.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Excuse ma'am.
Yes?
Mama, my video will come off because I'm clicking picture. Ma'am, may I click picture because my video will come off when I will click picture.
Apeksha.
I'm telling you, beta, it is the code is written on the brochure. We have already forwarded.
Ma'am, that link is not opening. Now it is open. View. Apeksha Shukla. Class 6. Yes.
Anushka? Yes, Anushka. Show me your
Just I'm
great
checking the
efforts.
pictures. So video was.
Ma'am,
Okay, very fine. Continue. Good efforts.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can you see my mask?
Okay, show.
Ma'am, Ishan Bhandari, DPS
Yes.
Janatpuram, class 6.
Okay. Okay, Shan.
Ma'am, my mask is about peacock. I have applied feathers over where I have eyes. I have put a peacock design over here. I have some chandelier like type I have put. I have net cloth of 2 color, yellow and pink. I have applied flowers over here, and I have
Okay.
a elastic and I have an elastic to stick it to your head.
Yes, it's a unique idea. Well done. Awesome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a little bit thing
Ma'am, please
I
speak.
forgot. I am applying that also.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Bacha.
Ma'am, I'm not able to join the Google Classroom code.
It is in the brochure.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, I've not got any code after that.
Ma'am, I got a link. See, I got a link, but
Yeah.
I cannot able to join this.
Ma'am, I cannot find the link on Google.
Beta, it is in the Google form. It is in the brochure we have already forwarded. Just check it, and if anything is
Ma'am,
there,
that
just
only I have,
contact.
but it is
Just
not.
contact your teacher in charge.
Okay, sir, ma'am.
So it,
The link has
ma'am,
been
please see my
you. You have to
ma'am,
upload
please see
the
my
picture of your mask in that.
ma'am, please see my mask. Ma'am, please see my mask.
Okay. Great effort. It's a genius idea.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Anushka. I
Yeah.
asked my teacher, but she's saying she hasn't received any code.
Okay.
The link where you have to upload the picture of your mask has been given in the brochure. You can check it there. The brochure for
Okay, ma'am.
2020.
I can see the efforts of the students really showing a good efforts.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I wanted to ask something. Ma'am, that when we have to click the pictures of the mask, ma'am, we have to click it along with our picture or just the mask?
When you will prepare your mask, just wear it and click a picture and then upload. Right? It was
Okay, ma'am.
mentioned in the brochure.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, is it necessary to click the picture with we have to wear the mask and click the picture? Ma'am, can't we keep it and click the picture?
It's better idea you just wear the mask and then click and then upload.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, now I have totally completed my mask.
Okay.
The link which I've got that is not working.
No, it's working. Try it out.
I have messaged the link to everyone here on Zoom. You can copy that link and paste it on Google Chrome. From there, you will be directed to Google Form.
Okay.
I request everybody to keep their videos on, otherwise you will be disqualified. If you are clicking the picture of your mask, then it is okay, but do keep your videos on.
Yes, Priyanka. Priyanka Srivastav. keep your video on and tell me something about your mask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Shine from class 6, Delhi Public School, Digboy. Ma'am, how much time is left?
You
May I
have,
please know how much time is
you have
left?
13 minutes left to complete your mask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Anushka. Maybe my video gets turned off because I have to click the picture.
Okay. Sayan. Yes, Sayan, class 6. Show me your mask. Okay, it is looking so bright. What is the theme of your mask?
Ma'am, it's a lion mask.
Wow. Great efforts. Well done.
It is made of yellow acrylic in his face, and in his
Okay,
beard,
this is made.
it is
Okay,
orange.
this is made of paper. This is made of paper. Which paper you have
Yes, ma'am.
picked? It's a chart paper. It's a chart paper.
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Ma'am, it's an
colored
art
it.
paper. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I've
you have
colored it with
colored.
acrylic color.
Okay. Yes, it's so looking so nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. It's a hard paper.
Okay. Continue with your efforts. Good.
Ma'am, I'm Sumit, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm taking a gas mask, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. All of you are showing your good efforts. Very good. Awesome work. Okay, Swarnika. Yes, Swarnika. Swarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me something about your mask.
Ma'am, I am using papers to decorate my mask, and I am using, ma'am, these normal papers for making leaves.
Okay, wow, it's so good. Looking very bright. Super.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear participants, you have 10 minutes left to complete your mask.
I'm making a mask with a stick hold, so I cannot wear it.
Okay, no problem. You can hold in your hand and then click. I can see Sanvi is very busy in doing good efforts. Can you tell something about your mask, Sanvi?
I, Sanvi Chadda from Asha Modern School, Saharanpur, would like to extend greetings of a day to everyone present here. A picture is worth 1,000 words, hereby the means of my mask. I want to depict the self-obsessive nature of the human being, which is evident for current condition of the earth. In order to gain profit, humans are cleaning forests, killing wild animals, Because money has acquired a center stage in the human's brain.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing efforts.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sumit.
Ma'am,
Now,
I
Sumit.
have my mask.
Okay,
My
fine.
mask is ready.
Okay, then you can upload the image. Yes, Sumit, I can see very good efforts you are showing. Tell me something about your mask. It's looking good with the black paper you are using. Just tell me something about your
Ma'am,
mask. What is?
my mask is made
Now I'm clicking the images.
glue
Ma'am,
and
Okay,
bands, ma'am. I made my mask. Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am, and our theme is that if we don't save the earth now, we should wear this mask in the future continuously without removing it.
okay. That's a great thing you are telling. Good. A genius idea you have taken. Wow.
And my mask is ready.
Okay, the mask
Excuse
is
me,
ready. You
ma'am.
can upload it.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me,
yes,
ma'am.
yes, beta.
And now I'm clicking the images.
Okay,
Excuse
do
me,
it.
ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, I made a mask. Ma'am, I am so sorry from this now.
Okay, just have a look
Excuse
on
me,
your
ma'am.
mask. Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I am so sorry from details now. And I have made a mask for the team zombie.
Okay, very good. Now, see, whatever the time is left, just have a look on your
Excuse me,
mask.
ma'am.
Be look. Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
where do
beta.
you have sent the link to upload the picture?
In the brochure and yes,
Ma'am, see my mask.
yes, you uploaded, beta. I will definitely see. All the best while uploading. Whatever
Yes,
the
and
time is
please.
left. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't
Now,
see the upload. Ma'am, how to upload that? I can't see it. The link.
but it's there in the group.
Ma'am, in the chat group.
Yeah. See, just have a look. Be little quick. Show your efforts. You are really showing good efforts. Excellent work you are showing. I can see the amazing efforts. Well done. Just
Ma'am,
be
the chat
little
is
quick.
December. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, see.
Okay, it's just upload it. I can see.
Ma'am, please see.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see my mask? I'm Shireen.
Ma'am, my
You
mask
just
is.
I can see everybody, beta. You just be a little quick.
Participants, you have 5 minutes to complete your mask.
मैम ने ज्यादा ध्यान ही नहीं दिया.
When you will upload the image, I will see there also, and I'm keeping an eye on each and everyone. No need to worry. All are showing good efforts. I can see your unique idea. Awesome work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Petra.
Ma'am, please see my mask.
Okay, fine. I'm just looking an eye to each and everyone. Don't worry. Need not to worry.
Ma'am,
उठा उठा फोटो उठा दिखा
Ma'am, ma'am,
हो गया तो ये ना पहन के दिखाओ
hello, ma'am,
डिजाइन बनाओ ना कलर से
hello, ma'am.
Yes, Petra.
Ma'am, I have uploaded the picture
Very fine.
on
Very
the
fine.
link.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
leave now?
Yes. Now, whatever the time is left, just have a look on your mask. and utilize the time. And do it not to worry. I will see each and everything.
दिखा बोलो बोलो।
Ma'am, my mask is dead. I'm not able to
Okay, beta, it is okay. If it is ready, then do the next part. Just upload it. Okay?
अच्छा इधर इधर
Ma'am,
दिखा।
I cannot upload the picture.
You just listen. Once again, listen to me. Wear your mask and then take a click and then upload.
ये बोलना। तो बोलो।
Emma, could you please wear your mask for 1 more minute?
Ma'am, my mask is ready. My mask is ready. Ready. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hey, beta, need not to worry. Just upload it.
फोटो खींचे भेजो जल्दी से।
मैम नहीं खींच मैम मैम मेरा कैमरा
Ma'am, can I turn off my camera? Ma'am, can I turn off my camera?
If you have, yes, if you have done, you can do.
excuse me it's ready ma'am it's
Everybody, listen to me. Everybody maintain the discipline. Just follow the instructions. You have to prepare your mask and you have to upload the image. Okay? Maintain the discipline. If everybody will speak, if you have done, you can leave.
my camera.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I've completed my mask. Able to upload.
2 minutes are left. I request the participants who have completed the mask to please upload the picture on the link that you have been provided.
Ma'am, I cannot
Did that few days ago.
Ma'am, how many pictures to upload?
One.
You have to
Ma'am, my mask is ready.
Then upload the picture and then you can leave.
You have to upload one picture that covers the whole mask.
Ma'am, where should I upload it?
Okay, it's fine.
Ma'am, I did not get.
Completed my mask.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have uploaded.
It's okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have completed my
Ma'am, I have completed my mask.
Very good, very good. You have completed. It's okay. Upload
Ma'am,
the
can
picture
we
and
leave?
then you can leave. The one who have done can leave.
Ma'am, I cannot upload it. Where should I upload it? Thank you, ma'am.
You have
Okay. The link is in the brochure. The link is in the
Ma'am, I am
brochure.
uploading.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, where is the
Ma'am, can I turn off my mic?
You can ask from your teacher in charge about the brochure. In that brochure, you have been provided the link for Google Form. And in that Google Form, you have to upload your picture of the mask.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am, I upload the picture. I have
I have messaged the link to everyone here in Zoom.
Ma'am?
Copy the link and paste it on Google. From there, you will be directed to Google Classroom, and there you can upload the picture of your mask.
Ma'am? Ma'am, please send the code. Ma'am, I have completed.
You have been provided with the link.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am,
मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ इसके साथ दिखा।
Those who
The
have
one who have
the
completed.
mask can upload it on the Google form that we have provided you.
Ma'am, please see my mask.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
You can upload the picture of your mask in Google form.
Ma'am, I have submitted, so can I leave now?
बोल दो I have submitted में can I?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, sure.
ma'am, I have completed my mask. Ma'am, can I stop my video and upload the picture?
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, I have made this and I have
Other details that form
submitted it.
The one who have completed, just upload the picture. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed my Ma'am, I have completed my Ma'am, I am uploading.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I leave? Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see my mask?
Those who have done, you can leave.
Ma'am, can you see my mask?
Definitely, it's a very good.
बच्चों ने ना रेडीमेड बना रखे हैं और लगभग
Dear
वही यूज कर रखे
participants,
हैं।
your time for mask making is over. You cannot continue it anymore. You can upload the picture of how much you have done on Google, the Google form that you have been provided. Do fill in the other details that have been asked there. And I would like to thank everyone here because your presence made this day a memorable one. And thank you for being here. I thank the judges for sparing us your valuable time. And I request the participants to upload their pictures. You cannot continue making your mask anymore. The time is over. It was 45 minutes.
Hello, ma'am.
Got the link.
Yes.
So can I continue?
Ma'am, I have uploaded my mask picture. Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the link of the meeting late, so can I continue it for 5 more minutes?
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done can leave the meeting, but do not forget to upload the pictures. Dear participants, please leave the meeting if you are done with your mask or if you have uploaded the pictures.
Ma'am, I have uploaded. Can I leave?
Yes, beta. You can leave.
Ma'am, I have uploaded.
Participants are requested to leave the meeting as the event is over for now. And please upload the pictures of your mask on the Google form that you have been provided.
Ma'am, I have uploaded the video. Can I leave the meeting?
Yes, you can leave the meeting. The time for mask making has been over and extra time has also been provided to you. You cannot utilize more time. Kindly upload as much as you have prepared on the Google form. Otherwise, you'll get disqualified because extra time cannot be utilized like this. Those who join late, they also have been provided extra time.
Ma'am, I have uploaded. Can I leave the meeting?
मैम 7th ग्रेड ऑप्शन में आ नहीं रहा है.
Ma'am, I have uploaded.
Yes,
Can I
you
leave
can
the
leave
meeting?
the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम 7th ग्रेड ऑप्शन में आ नहीं रहा है.
Ma'am, my internet is slow, so it's taking time to upload the picture.
The participants who are left in this meeting, I want to inform you that you have only 10 minutes left to upload the picture of the mask. And thank you everybody.
Ma'am, I am uploading picture.
If you have uploaded, then you are requested to leave the meeting as the event is over.